Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is OJB's new folding electric bike, actually. And this is a 500 watt rated BLDC motor. So this is direct drive hub motor. And I've completed installing the rear rack today. And it's complete with dual suspension right here and on the front forks. And of course it's got some nice signal lighting for the left and right. It's got nice bright lights, which I'll turn on in a while. And then it's got a nice manual bell as well. So this is actually a really neat project. And it's all native steel. It's fully steel parts, with the exception of the rear rack. This is aluminum, some strong aluminum. But other than that, let's see what else. Oh yes, we have the folding mechanism of the bike. And when I unfold this and show you this here in a moment, you'll see what it looks like. Hold on, let me pause this. All right, so you can't see because the lighting isn't the greatest, but here I'm going to clip it into place like that, and then this is all you do. Clip that onto here, and when you put it on there, then you can lock it into place. Right now I'm doing this one-handed, so you just lean that there, and this is what the bike looks like when it's unfolded. So very neat. And as I said, I can turn on the rear lights, and I can turn on this is actually meant to be a front headlight for attaching to the forehead, you know, kind of like how you do mining, but it's convenient for attaching to the bike. And of course you got some nice folding locks, the motor control and the wiring, and the XT90S cable is all inside of this bag here. And let me see, I could upgrade this with disc brakes later on, but for now I'm not driving on too fast. I mean, I did mention before that with these bikes I'm typically able to go up to around 50 kilometers per hour, and then like around maybe 53 kilometers per hour. That's about the maximum you can do with this for now, unless of course I upgrade the motor control a little bit. And yeah, there's the my foot. All right. Oh yes. The other thing I need to mention is that this bike is complete with very loud alarm system. You can do that with it, and that is about it. I really like ringing this. I use this twice today. It's convenient. I've got black stuff on my hands. Oh well. But yes, this is a fantastic project. Once you get all the parts together, then it's ready for the road. Oh yes, I did have some seats from my other bike that had suspension within the seats. So if I do that with this bike as well, I'd have suspension here, and in the front forks. And also another upgrade, if I wanted to do that as well, is I would put some upgraded suspension where you could lock the suspension. It'd be a bit stiff in the front if you want, or unlock it, and it'll, you know, do what a suspension does: compress and decompress and make the ride smoother. But for now, this is fantastic. Gets me around. Only 500 watts, and this thing takes me beyond 50 kilometers per hour. just slightly above, but you know, that's good enough. All right, well, thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. And oh yes, this is Sergey's bike, my bro Sergey. His electric bike. I like his battery box. His system's got geared hub system, so that's a bit different, but you know, so that's cool. Anyways, again, thank you for tuning in. This is OJB. Cheerio.